Okay, welcome. So in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about blog posts and authors and how those display. So on this blog post, for example, we see the featured image and then the content. Down at the bottom, we're going to see with these particular settings that it's showing who the author is, and it is me and my username, and it is also showing about the author, and again, that is me. This information is not filled out, but it can be. So how we change that is that we go and we log into our back end. We go down to users, and then we can see the different users on the site. And what we want to do is get rid of this user once your site is active. And so you can simply choose to delete this user, and you'll want to attribute the posts from that user to the new user. So this isn't going to let me do it since I'm logged in right now, but that's what's going to happen. So I'm going to show you how to do that to just make sure that you don't lose any content. So what we're going to do is we're going to navigate over to our posts area, and we're going to see that the author here in these posts is this user, Johnny Kickstarter. So if we delete that user, it may delete these posts, right? So what we want to do is select all of our posts. Under bulk actions, go to edit, and then click on apply. And over here under author, we're going to choose the new author, and we're going to click update. This also will be done with any of our pages. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go in here, select them all, click on bulk edit, click on apply. Under author, we will select the new author and not the default author that we have been using so far. You'll also do this, by the way, not only when I transfer the site to you, but also if, for example, you want to change your username and you want to create a new username, you would do the same thing. Create your new username by going down here again to users, add new, and then you would simply transfer the current content from your old username to your new one. And so that way, when you go back to this blog post, it will say your information and not the old user or my information. Now, the other thing you can do is you can edit your user name to display how you would like it, and also to show you like your bio or whatever. So you can select your first name, your last name, and then how you would like it to display with that drop down. And then you can also fill out your biographical information at the bottom, and that will show in your author bio. Last but not least, if you'd like to choose what displays in this area here, called your meta or about the author, you can change this in the Avada theme options, okay? And so I'm going to refer you over back to the different tutorial video on the Avada framework to go ahead and do that. But in other words, that's also something that you can do. So hopefully that is helpful.